The Happy Cat. Chapter 1. A New Friend. Fluffy was a small white cat with soft fur and big green eyes. She lived in a beautiful house with a garden full of flowers. Every morning, Fluffy would run around the garden, chasing butterflies and playing with the soft grass. She loved her home and felt very happy. One day, while Fluffy was playing in the yard, she noticed something new. A dog was standing near the fence. The dog was brown with a big wagging tail. "Hello!" the dog barked happily. "I'm Maximum. I just moved in next door." Fluffy was surprised, but also very excited. She had never met a dog before. "Hi, Max. I'm Fluffy. Welcome to the neighborhood," she said. Max smiled and wagged his tail. "Thank you, Fluffy. It's nice to meet you. Do you want to play with me?" Fluffy thought for a moment. "Yes, I would love to," she said with a big smile. The two new friends started running around the garden. Fluffy showed Max her favorite tree, and Max showed Fluffy how to chase after a ball. They laughed and played all afternoon, becoming the best of friends. From that day on, Fluffy and Max played together every day, and they were always happy to have each other. Chapter 2. A Missing Ball. One sunny afternoon, Max was playing with his favorite red ball. He kicked it high into the air, and the ball bounced across the yard. Max ran after it, but when he stopped, the ball was gone. Max looked everywhere. He checked under the bushes. He looked behind the flowers. The ball was nowhere to be found. "Where did it go?" Max wondered. He felt a little worried. Fluffy saw Max looking sad. "What's wrong?" she asked. "I can't find my ball," Max said. "I looked everywhere." Fluffy thought for a moment. "Maybe it's under the tree," she said, pointing to a big tree in the corner of the yard. Max ran to the tree, and Fluffy followed. They both looked around the tree and checked under it, but the ball was not there. Fluffy smiled and said, "Wait! Look over there!" Max turned around and saw something red in the grass. It was the ball. "I found it!" Max shouted. Fluffy was so happy. "Great job, Max," she said. Max wagged his tail and barked. "Thank you, Fluffy. You are a great friend." The two friends played with the ball for the rest of the afternoon. They were so happy to be together. Chapter 3. Chasing the Birds. One bright and sunny morning, Fluffy and Max went to the park. The sky was blue and the birds were singing in the trees. Fluffy loved birds. She loved watching them fly and hearing their beautiful songs. As they walked through the park, Fluffy saw a group of birds flying high in the sky. "Look, Max," she said. "Let's catch the bird." Max laughed. "But Fluffy, you can't catch birds. They fly too fast." Fluffy didn't listen. She was very excited and wanted to chase the birds. She ran as fast as she could, her little paws moving quickly over the grass. "Come back, birds," she shouted. Max ran behind her, trying to stop her. "Fluffy, wait! You can't catch the birds." But Fluffy was too fast. She jumped and ran through the grass, her eyes focused on the birds. The birds flew higher and higher, away from her. Fluffy jumped as high as she could, but the birds flew too far away. Fluffy stopped running and looked up at the sky. She was out of breath. "I can't catch them," she said, feeling a little sad. Max stopped next to Fluffy and smiled. "It's okay, Fluffy. Birds are very fast. Maybe next time we can play a different game." Fluffy smiled back. "You're right, Max. Let's play something else." The two friends laughed and ran off to find another game to play, knowing they could always have fun together. Chapter 4. The Rainy Day. One morning, Fluffy woke up to the sound of rain. She looked out the window and saw dark clouds in the sky. It was raining heavily, and the ground was wet. "Oh no," Fluffy said. "It's raining. We can't go outside to play." Max was sitting next to her, looking out the window too. "I wanted to run in the yard," he said sadly. Fluffy thought for a moment and then had an idea. "Don't worry, Max. We can still play. Let's play inside." Max's ears perked up. "Play inside? That sounds fun," he said, wagging his tail. Fluffy and Max went inside the house. Fluffy found her favorite red ball, and they started to play. Max rolled the ball to Fluffy, and she chased it across the living room. They jumped and ran, having so much fun. After a while, they both got tired. Max lay down on the soft carpet, and Fluffy curled up beside him. They both watched the rain fall outside. This is nice, Max said. I like rainy days because we can rest together. Fluffy smiled. Me too, she said softly. I like rainy days with my best friend. Chapter 5. The next day, the sun was shining brightly in the sky. Fluffy and Max went outside to play in the garden. It was a warm, beautiful day, and the flowers were blooming. Fluffy chased butterflies running around the garden. Max ran after her, trying to catch up. They laughed and played, rolling in the soft grass. Fluffy climbed the tree, and Max jumped to catch the ball. As the day passed, the sky began to change colors. The sun started to set, turning the sky pink and orange. Fluffy and Max sat on the porch watching the sunset. They were both tired but happy. I'm so glad we are friends, Fluffy said. Max smiled and looked at Fluffy. Me too, he said. We always have fun together. Fluffy and Max sat quietly watching the beautiful sky. They knew that no matter what happened, they would always have each other. Home sweet home, Fluffy said as she leaned against Max. And Max agreed, yes, home, sweet home. The two friends stayed there, enjoying the evening together, knowing they were happy and safe in their special place.